Do you want to know how you can start a backtest on MetaTrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start a backtest on MetaTrader 5. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead with the video. Open MetaTrader 5, which is on your PC. Make sure that you are logged into your demo or your real account, and you can see tester option on the bottom right hand side. If you click on it, it will quickly switch to strategy tester, which is the back testing option. Go ahead and clap on it and you can see there are some of the testing options over here. You can click on any of these and you can select your symbol from here. So go ahead and select your symbol. You can select the date as well, and you can see that the deposit option is here. And after you select all of this, go ahead and click start. In a while, you can notice that your test will start. So it might take some time as it will be a lot of calculations in it, and you can see the test will start soon. So in a while, you can start the backtest. You can also select these, click start, and you can start it. So guys, if this doesn't work, you can go to overview and select some of these. Click start again and you can see there you go. The test has been started and the chart diagram is shown to you. You can see that all of the backtest is in action, and you can also select this and you can also skip according to your wish, or minimize it or maximize the chart diagram. So guys, this is how you backtest on MetaTrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.